Okay, so I've already made this video once when the Christmas trees and the lights were here, but I've decided to redo it simply because it didn't quite cover the things that I feel that need to be talked about. So, as you can see, there's a Shake Shack here. This is great for people that are just missing home food, and it's really great for Thai people because they want all the global brands. They want to try these things. They hear about it on social media. They want it. So sure, bring it in. So what they do have here is, on about 5 floors, there is a car showroom upstairs, but the main draw is IKEA. How they've managed to keep their prices so low that even Thai people are looking at it and saying, wow, this is really cheap. I don't know, but they've done it really well. There's quite a decent crowd here. It feels a little bit like the adults have got up to IKEA and left the kids to just come and eat and do whatever they want to do, have a wander around, which would probably be a smart idea. So I'm going to recommend about 4 places, slightly Western. Everything is tailored towards tourists as well as locals. So yeah, that's what you can expect. So first up, Panetti Pizza. I've eaten these pizzas, they're very good. They may be expensive in Bangkok, but again, I say this, it's Western food, you pay a premium for it. It's the same group as Papina and Apia. They've started to branch out in all sorts of different areas. The pizzas are solid. I mean, you know, if you're missing it, this is the place to come and get it. Okay, this one's called the Spotted Pig, and I'm not recommending this because I've never eaten it. But it gives you an idea of the variation of things that you can now find in Bangkok. I mean, tacos, quesadilla, you know, nacho cheese. They're kind of creeping in with the more Western foods. I have no idea about this brand, but just be known that if you want Mexican food, I'm not sure if I trust it, but you can go for it if you want. Okay, I've seen a friend post this one. It's called Oh My God Mother, and it's drinks and bits and pieces, coffees and whatever. But just look how many staff are working in this place. Like, how many drinks are they turning over a day? Like, we've got this Western style cakes, but like, look, it goes all the way around. These guys must be super popular. I don't know if it's good again, but one I do know is good, and I really can't believe it, is Brassica Donuts. I expected this to be terrible, but obviously I came and ate it anyway because that's my job. And I mean, looking at it, you're not 100%, you know, it's kind of, is it, isn't it? But I can tell you, the fried chicken in a donut is absolutely great. I really enjoyed it, and very cleverly. They do it, as you can see over there, they do it in an air fryer, which makes me wonder if they become really popular, how quick this is going to be able to be served, because when I came it took about 10 minutes, and it was perfectly fried, don't get me wrong, but it just took a while. So imagine if there's like 10 or 20 orders in front of you. I don't know how that's going to work, so I don't know, maybe they've got another 10 air fryers hidden underneath, I don't know. But yeah, this for me was an interesting one. I enjoyed it. I'm not going to lie and say, oh crap, I'll be snobby. It was really fun, and I liked it, so worth a try. And so it's kind of split between west and east, I guess. Saranggang are super popular. They've been around for a while. Everybody knows them. They've managed to get a spot here instead of being miles away. And yeah, like, it's no problem. Yeah, one of the good ones. Just like a proper cow gang, you know. All the curries are in front of you. You can choose which one you want. Get rice. It's a little bit expensive, but you know, you're in a shopping mall with Wi-Fi. You've got aircon. You know, you're not sitting on the street. 135, about £3. I mean, yeah, sure, why not? And these guys as well also look good. They just do beef noodle, chicken noodle. Comes out nice, you know. Again, it's much more expensive than on the street, but you know, I imagine they're probably using a slightly higher quality, and you know, why not? For me, this is the best place in the whole of the Emsphere, and embarrassingly, it's the place that's the most empty, which is surprising because the quality of food here is restaurant quality, and that's because these guys have 2 other restaurants, and they are 2 of the best restaurants, I think, in Bangkok. Just a fantastic spot. They're doing like a noodle thing here, but they also have like a full Isan menu. and some of it is just incredible. Like, you would never expect to see this in a mall, in my opinion. It's just super good, you know, lots of different sometimes, rice crabs, everything, you know. It's a really, really good place. Again, a little bit expensive, but you're in a mall, and you know what, the quality of this one is definitely there. So I would 100% put this at the top of the list if we're going to come to IKEA. It's just, without doubt, the best place here. So at the moment, we're just at the tail end of Lunar New Year, and the place is cool. You know, like they've made the effort. There's dragons everywhere. It's all red. You know, it's just nice. And I'm sure they're going to do this for every holiday. So yeah, come and have a look. I mean, it's not the worst place in the world. I would suggest eating from Zhao Zhen, but otherwise we've got a few other options there. Maybe you'll find something that's good that I haven't had a chance to try yet. So just like and subscribe, and if you want to see this in a bit more up-to-date versions, you can follow me on Instagram, follow the Quran, same names. Yeah, this is it, Emsphere.